If you're looking for a reliable and efficient toilet for your boat, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we will be showcasing the top 5 boat toilets on the market, highlighting their features and discussing their benefits. From portable options to fixed installations, we'll cover a variety of choices to help you find the best fit for your boat. Be sure to check out the links in the description box for more information and to purchase your own boat toilet. Let's get started. Boxio Boat Toilet. The Boxio Portable Composting Toilet is the perfect solution for those who love camping, boating, or simply want a hygienic and environmentally friendly alternative to traditional chemical toilets. With its high capacity of up to 8 and 10 uses before disposal is necessary, it's suitable for both adults and children. Its small size of 14.75 x 11.81 x 11 inches makes it easy to store in a car trunk or any other tight space. The composting toilet is designed to be hygienic, with a 1.3-gallon separation container with a lid and a leak-proof Uran canister. Its environmentally friendly design means that you can dispose of solid waste into a trash can, while the liquid waste can simply be poured into a nearby drain. This toilet is also very easy to use, with a simple open-and-go mechanism. The solid waste is collected in a bag in the rear bucket, which can be dried with a desiccant-like hemp litter. Made of easy-to-clean and durable plastic, the Boxio toilet is an ideal choice for those who want a sustainable and practical solution for their outdoor toileting needs. VivaHome Boat Toilet. The VivaHome Portable Boat Toilet is the perfect solution for outdoor travel, picnics, parties, and gatherings. The product comes with a handle and packaging bag for easy portability and assembly/disassembly. Made of durable and eco-friendly materials, the toilet's PE base and PP seat are corrosion-resistant, odorless, non-toxic, and have low carbon recyclability, ensuring that they won't harm the environment. The toilet also features a large capacity, with an upper layer that can hold 3.2 gallons of clean water and a lower layer that can hold 5.3 gallons of sewage. This makes it suitable for people with indoor disabilities or outdoor activities. The toilet is easy to set up and use, with a tight seal and no extra gap around the slide valve. It also comes with a sprayer and brush for easy cleaning of the inner wall of the toilet. With the VivaHome Portable Boat Toilet, you can enjoy outdoor activities without worrying about emergency runs or finding a public toilet. Seal Boat Toilet. The Seal Portable Camping Folding Toilet is an updated version of a foldable toilet designed for adults. Made of premium quality ABS plastic, it is sturdy, washable, and weighs only 3.19 pounds. The portable folding toilet has a load capacity of up to 400 pounds, making it ideal for various outdoor activities such as camping, traveling, hiking, and more. It can also be used for emergencies or construction sites. The functional cover design allows for various modes of use, making it practical as a portable seat with storage function, trash can, small stool, storage box, indoor toilet for the elderly, vomit bucket for pregnant women, and more. Setting up and folding down takes only seconds, and it is compatible with any 6 to 8 gallon bag for easy cleanup. The package includes 1 portable toilet bucket with lid, 1 carry bag, 1 exquisite packaging box, and 20 odor-free toilet bags. This portable toilet is a versatile and reliable companion for outdoor activities and emergencies, boasting excellent load-bearing capacity and portability. Seaflow Boat Toilet. The Seaflow Portable Toilet is an excellent option for those seeking a compact and easily transportable toilet. Its durable ABS molded plastic construction ensures longevity and sturdiness, while its self-contained design requires no external power or connections. The toilet features a large and comfortable seat, making it easy and comfortable to use. The sealing slide valve prevents odor leakage, and the handle locks securely to attach the tank to the toilet. With a 2.5-gallon waste tank and a 3.43-gallon water tank, this portable toilet has ample capacity for any recreational activity, road trip, or emergency situation. Its high-impact plastic housing makes it perfect for use in any environment, and its ergonomic carrying handles ensure easy and comfortable transport. The rotating pour-out spout makes emptying the tank quick and easy. Overall, the Seaflow Portable Toilet is a reliable and convenient solution for anyone in need of a portable and self-contained toilet for their RV, boat, caravan, or outdoor activity. Dimvis Boat Toilet. The Dims Portable Toilet is a versatile and convenient option for outdoor travel. It can be used as a folding toilet and seat, storage box, and even hung from a backpack while hiking. This toilet can support up to 330 pounds, making it suitable for all users. The included roll of toilet bags makes it easy to keep the toilet clean and hygienic, and regular 6 to 8 gallon trash bag can be used as an alternative. At only 3 pounds, it is lightweight and can be easily carried in a car or backpack. The toilet can be set up and folded down in seconds, making it a convenient option for any outdoor activity. The package includes a foldable toilet, a drawstring pocket, and a roll of toilet bags, ensuring a hassle-free and comfortable outdoor experience. Thank you for watching our video on the best boat toilets. We hope this guide has helped you choose the right option for your boating needs. And as always, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos in the future.